Welcome to week one, and I'm going to take a minute and do an overview of what you're going to be working on this week. So let me take a second and share my screen. We're going to take a look at our Moodle page. There are 3 tasks, and you want to read the pages in the required textbook and make sure you complete test-taking self-assessment and coping with test anxiety. After you have completed them, view and read the items in the resources. There are 2 items I've provided for you. Both are focused on MLA format. In this particular class, all of your documents are going to be required to be set up in MLA 8 format. So if you've not used that before, just to encourage you, it's not difficult. You just have to have it set up with some basic requirements. And this is easily done when you set them up in your computer settings. So this walks you through. This is a nice little video of where to find things and how to set it up. And then the second one is a document out of Purdue OWL, which is a Writing Center resource, and it gives you the criteria for MLA. So it's in written form. It gives you a couple of options. If you get stuck on either of these or you don't understand MLA format, reach out to me directly. The assignments and activities are listed, and I do recommend that you do them in this order. The first is the introductions forum, and if you simply click into this, it will open up and give you instructions on what to do, and I give you the written instructions. And you can see I've already posted one as a model for you of what you want to do. You are welcome to do this either in written form or by video. Either is perfectly acceptable. If you don't like recording yourself, that's no problem. You can simply type it up. However, you do need to adhere to all of these criteria if you want full credit for this particular posting. So you need to post with including this information, and then you will need to go in and respond or reply to 2 other classmates, not mine, classmates' postings in an encouraging, positive manner. And then, of course, you may give comment or suggestion to items that they shared. So in this particular one, I already uploaded a video one to model, but I do want to encourage you, you do not have to do it in video format. You may type it up. Make sure you type it up. Make sure your document is in MLA format. The second one is test taking response. Once again, you click into it. I have provided a little video overview within it talking about instructions. The instructions guideline, what you need to do is the file right here in blue, and it's always linked within the assignment. You will notice also I give the due date, so it's going to always be due by the time posted on Moodle. And then the grading criteria, this is the grading rubric that will be used to score your response. So you always know ahead what I'm going to be looking for if you're looking to get that A, B, C, whatever grade. The third item, actually, I'm sorry. The third item, test taking quiz. Test strategies quiz. This particular quiz is an online quiz, and when you click in, it says attempt quiz now, the clock starts. So don't click into it until you're ready. It is a 1-hour time limit, and it is based on items that you read about and have from the textbook. So 636 to 647 within the textbook. The instructions are right here. Again, I don't think the quiz is difficult. You have a full hour. It's more than plenty time. You don't need to rush, all of that kind of stuff. But it is a basic check to see that you are doing the reading and interacting with the textbook. The other one is email etiquette assignment. You click into this. Once again, I have provided video with instructions up here, and then I also have files attached. In this particular case, the email etiquette grading rubric is in a file here, and also down at the bottom, it's the same one, different format. Then the assignment instructions are also there. Do pay close attention to those instructions if you want full credit. In this particular one, please note you're not uploading, you are sending me an email through the Gmail account. And then the introduction forum grade. I do want to make note of this. It looks like an extra assignment. It is not. So It is simply a placeholder for me to put the grade for your discussion forum on introduction. And that's basically what I tell you there. So at this point, I have gone through the assignments that you have for week 1. As always, please do reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. I am always happy to help you and assist. You may email me, you may send me a video, whatever works for you and your communication method. You can also, don't forget, one of the items at the top in the first 2 sections I mentioned is you can text me as well. I use the Remind app. So feel free to text me also if you have a question.